The Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10's Pamela Gardner.
Good evening, everyone. Storm Team 10 is continuing to track a winter storm, which is bringing us at first rain, and then we're expecting it to change over to a mix later on tonight, then changing to snow overnight tonight. We're also expecting some accumulating snow for the day on Sunday. 1 to 3 inches of snow is expected by Sunday night, and then blowing and drifting snow plus bitter cold temperatures with below zero wind chills possible. It's a busy forecast, and let's get right to it. First of all, we do have an advisory for tomorrow. It's a winter weather advisory for all of the counties in the purple. It's because we're expecting that snow to accumulate, blowing and drifting to be a concern, so driving conditions will be hazardous tomorrow. Right now, we're dealing with all rain on Storm Team 10 Fury with our triple scan. Pockets of heavier rain showers right now. This whole mass is moving to the east and to the north just slightly, and this is why we're seeing all rain at this hour. Our temperature is just way too warm. 42 degrees right now in Terre Haute, 32. This is our freezing line, the blue line right there. Everyone west of it is seeing snow at this hour. Eventually, this line is going to push into the Wabash Valley, and that's why we're calling for some snow later on tonight and for tomorrow. On clouds and radars, we take a wider look. That freezing line, which I just told you was back off to our west, matches up with what we're seeing on the radar right now. All the rain here in the Wabash Valley, this system, this line right here, is a part of a cold front. After that pushes through, our temperatures are going to plummet tonight into the mid-20s, allowing for that transition to snow. But overnight tonight, we're not expecting much accumulation because the roads are just a little bit too warm at this hour. So eventually by tomorrow morning, we'll start to get some accumulation. Right now, here's a live look at the Vigo County Credit Union Tower Cam. The roads are wet, but they're not slippery. We're going to see some ice for your morning tomorrow, but not yet. Currently 42 degrees, winds coming from the southeast at 17, making our current temperature feel just a little bit cooler. And let's get right to Futurecast to time everything out for you hour by hour. Here's the rain. The line is continuing to push through the valley for this evening. By midnight, that's when we start to see a mix in the transition from rain to snow. Just some pockets of very light snow showers overnight tonight. We do have a little bit of a dry slot, and that's going to mean a break in between the precip. We're not going to have an all-night snowfall. By 7 o'clock, that's when we'll start to see some more flurries, and then the main line of snow showers moves in here for the afternoon on Sunday, and then Sunday throughout the day. 5 o'clock, that's when we're going to get our heaviest snowfall totals, and we're expecting ½ inch to an inch south of I-70 and portions around Terre Haute and just off to the east and to the north, 1 to 3 inches with pockets of some heavier snowfall possible. And then after Sunday at 8 o'clock, most of the snow pushes out here. We'll just have a few straggling flurries for Monday morning, and it's going to be slippery. That's when we start to have the blowing and drifting as our concern. Tonight, low of 22 degrees. Wait to snow after midnight. Winds coming from the southwest. Tomorrow, high of 25 degrees, and our winds start to pick up from the west at 30 miles per hour. Very windy conditions. Tomorrow night, low of only 8 degrees. Drifting snow with a wind chill of 15 below zero possible. For your 7-day forecast, we really chill things down for Monday. Only a high of 16 degrees. The snow ends, but we stay bitterly cold, 2 degrees. It's just going to be a cold blast for the start to your work week.